All right, God bless you. Welcome back to this channel. Right. So today, without wasting time, I want to show you how to vamp. I did a video sometimes ago. My wife was singing in the church. It was our Thanksgiving service, and I was doing a word of vamp, and a lot of guys liked it and said I should do a video on how to vamp. Right. So, all right. So I'm gonna do that here. And I'm not going to waste time. I'm just going to go to that. So let's look at this song. There's this popular song. I serve a God who is powerful. Hallelujah. Right. So what's the trick here? The trick is your left hand. This means if you're gonna play like this, that means you have a bassist. Like I did in the video, the other section I had a basis, right? Oh, it's gonna be it. Awesome. Or some of so do me so. Right. Something like that. So right. There's no beat here, so that's okay. So this is gonna mean that you have if you're gonna play like I want to show you now, it means you have a bassist, so your fingers are free to do what you want to do. Okay, so we're gonna do something like this. So you're gonna play chords, just charts on your left hand and on your right hand. Now let's look at how we are jamming this together. Now let's slow it down so that we can get it. So what are we doing? So that means the left hand for this. There are different type of vamps. Trust me. This is one rhythm I'm showing you, but you need an inspiration to get started, and this is one. So what's happening? Left, right. So let's leave like that. So you can see the chord I'm playing. Someone is saying we can't see the chord. You can see the chord. That's why I have the middle screen. You can see the chord. Yeah, just pause it. If I just pause it on it, just click pause like that. You'll see the chord. I'll free the video. Let it start playing. Yeah, that's how to work around these things. So left hand. So left hand. So but in this case, I'm skipping some stuff. So left hand, right. Okay, let me do it slow so I can just pick it. Right, so are you picking that? So sometimes I'm skipping the left, else I'll have said left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, but I don't think that's what I'm doing. I'm not really doing that. I'm skipping that. Okay, if it was like I left, yeah, if it was this like if it was that, yeah. So left, right, 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 left, right. So even if you play the key of C, you just need to just know that I'm playing 3, 5, 1. So if you play in any key, you can just easily transcribe this to any other key of your choice. And if you want me to break it down in any other key, just join the channel membership. So I'll do that very fast. Or you can wait also till when I might have the chance to do it. Right. So we are not done. So we are doing the warrior part here because I think I've done one highlight before. And ariara. Someone said this fast. Yeah, I been listening to that music. That's how they play very fast. It's always very fast. Very, very fast. After you've eaten akpu, then you play it. I mean, very, very fast. Right, don't laugh. Okay, so laugh. You can even laugh in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from. God bless you. Right, so that's this. So we are doing the warrior. So that's it. So you can also do this chord progression, chord voices rather. Habo, 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 habo. Hey, wewo. Hey, wewo. Hey, wewo. Hey, wewo. And then you resume again. You get? So that's the idea. So there are times where you play the chord, like if you are doing hey, hey, wewo, right? Hey, wewo, pa 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 pa, hey, wewo, hey, hey, wewo, hey, wewo, hey, oh, oh, da 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 da. Da 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 da. Alright, so that's pretty like the idea. So now the chord progression. I mean, you determine that you have to know the chord progression of the song you are playing. Then you put them into this rhythm. So that's how to flow with that. So I think I already answered one question that someone might be thinking about and might want to ask. Right, so I already answered that, but trust me, you can still ask your question. God bless you. See you in the next tutorial. Please support me. Join the channel membership. Please support me so I can keep continuing this. It's not easy, I must tell you. Trust me, it's not easy. It's just been God. So please support me. Support me. Thank you. God bless you.